Hello guys, and welcome to my fall Project Use It Up introduction for the fall of 2025. I am so excited to bring you guys this video. So as always with my Project Use It Ups, I'm going to be introducing a couple of routines for body care that I plan on using for this fall season. So we're going to be going through September, October, and November, and I will close out the fall Project Use It Up at the end of November, and then we'll start the winter Project Use It Up in December, which I can't believe I'm even saying that. But today I have my fall Project Use It Up routines ready for you guys, and I'm going to show you. So if you are excited to see what I'm going to be using this fall, then just keep watching. So last year I did something really fun and I created kind of a persona for each routine. Now this year's a little bit different because I didn't actually purchase as much fall body care as I did last year, so I don't have like full-fledged routines and personas, but I do still have like a really fun theme for each grouping of routines. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I've come up with. And for the first one, I have to start off with the pumpkin routine, which this year I am naming it Pumpkin Queen 2.0 because we have the new glazed pumpkin, which as you can see, I am actually wearing my pumpkin head skeleton tee from Aerie from last year. And I am so looking forward to cooler temperatures and fall weather and bringing out the pumpkin scents. So Pumpkin Queen 2.0. So last year I introduced Pumpkin Queen. She is basically the ultimate fall persona. She thrives in the fall. She is me. Okay, this routine is 100% me. She thrives in the fall. She's always making pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. She is bringing her friends out to the pumpkin patch. She's decorating jack-o'-lanterns. She decorates her house for fall and probably for Halloween as well. She is just your ultimate fall girly. She's a baker. She loves watching all of the Halloween-y movies. She's more of like a Halloween Town girl than she is like a scary movie girl. But yeah, Pumpkin Queen 2.0 is going to be your glazed pumpkin. So I do have actually 3 formulas of glazed pumpkin. I really enjoyed this scent when I smelled it in stores, and so I did pick up the body cream, which look at this beautiful packaging. I really like this deep dark floral pattern that they used on the packaging. I think it's so pretty. The notes are vanilla glaze, caramel woods, and pumpkin cream. This one does not smell like any other pumpkin that Bath & Body Works has done before. In my opinion, it definitely has a caramelness to it that the other pumpkins just didn't have. And if anything, it kind of smells like this pumpkin chiffon cake that I made last year, or it's actually a pie. I will insert a picture if I have it of what my pie ended up looking like, but it is I think it's a Tilly's caramel pumpkin pie recipe. I'll link it down below because you guys need to try it for your Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving. I cooked it for both last year and everybody was obsessed with it. But it's basically a white chocolate pumpkin pie and then a homemade caramel layered at the bottom and then your homemade crust. It was so good. Oh, with whipped cream on top. You can't forget that. But that's kind of what this smells like. It is a caramel pumpkin. Honestly, if you had like a caramel pumpkin latte, that would also be what it smells like. Not that it has coffee scent to it, but it is like a creamy, almost milky, and maybe that's just the body cream. It's almost got like a milkiness to it. It's a creamy, caramely pumpkin. It smells really good. So we have the body cream completely full, unused, and I'm putting it in the project. We also have the body lotion, and I love that we got this beautiful burnt orange color as the packaging. I think it's so pretty. And I also have the fine fragrance mist because it is a unique pumpkin scent that I don't think Bath & Body Works has come out with before. I did want to go ahead and pick it up in the fine fragrance mist. You guys know I am very, very slow at using up fine fragrance mist, so I have to be super picky at which ones I'm going to pick up. And this was actually the first one that I picked up. I think first and only fine fragrance mist I've picked up for the fall and the summer, maybe even the spring of this year. This is the only scent that I've picked up. So yeah, I really enjoy it and I'm so excited to start using it. And then for the shower gel, I did actually have this left over from a couple years ago. This is the Pumpkin Icing Philosophy Shower Gel. This was in last year's Project Use It Up, so you can actually see I have lines on it already. I'll go ahead and mark it right there. But this is the Pumpkin Icing Shower Gel. Now, if I do finish this off, I might purchase a glazed pumpkin shower gel, and I think I do actually have a free item coupon, so I might go ahead and just use that on glazed pumpkin. But I'm definitely gonna finish this during the fall. It's a really nice, simple, like powdered sugar pumpkin. It's almost like if you were making powdered sugar icing, which you literally just mix powdered sugar with water or milk and mix it together, and then you added in like pumpkin extract or maybe like pumpkin butter. That's kind of what this smells like. It smells really good, and it's like actually a clean scent. It's not really a gourmand scent. And then to go along with that, I do have my Le Monde Gourmand Pumpkin Creme perfume, which I bought this last year, and this is such a beautiful perfume for fall. If you're looking for a pumpkin perfume, please, please, please get your hands on this. And I'll put the scent notes down below, but it is nutty. It's definitely got like nutmeg spice to it. You can tell that there's spice in there. It smells so good. So I'm so excited for my pumpkin routine. I'll probably have to wait until at least October to use this though, because it is still hot here. But whenever I'm hankering for a pumpkin, I'm definitely gonna pull this one out. So this next routine, you guys are gonna like a lot, I think. This is the iced vanilla latte routine. So if you're an iced vanilla latte girl, you're a little basic, and that's a good thing because there is nothing wrong with an iced vanilla latte. I will get that year round and it tastes so good. The iced vanilla latte girls know where it's at. They know, they stick to what they know, and they are clean. They are always put together. They're usually wearing like a jewelry stack and like a bunch of gold rings on their fingers. They're definitely gold girls. I think the same goes also for like chai latte girls. They're kind of on the same wavelength, but they have their ish together, and that's how I'm trying to be. So this scent combo is going to be 3 different scents. We're starting off with Vanilla Mocha Cafe because I have this left over from 2020 still. We have Vanilla Cafe, which just came out this year. Well, it came out in this packaging this year. I don't know if it's been out before. I can't actually remember. And then Chocolate Amber from the semi-annual sale. So I am putting them all together to kind of make my own little like cafe latte scent. So first we have Vanilla Mocha Cafe, and this one is that chalkboard packaging from 2020. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite scents. It is a quintessential like mocha coffee scent. Smells so good. It is very sweet. It's very sweet, but it smells really good. And then to go along with it, I do have the Vanilla Cafe moisturizers. So I have the body cream, and the scent notes are smooth espresso, whipped vanilla, and toasted hazelnut. This one is definitely a coffee scent, and it's definitely sweet. And I don't even know if I actually get hazelnut, but I do get a nuttiness. Not that it's like quintessentially just hazelnut, but it's maybe more like a hazelnut creamer than it is anything else. And then we have Vanilla Cafe in the body lotion too. So these are both brand new, unused, and they have the same scent notes. Again, just a wonderful coffee scent. This one, actually, I feel like the body lotion is not as hazelnutty as the body cream. So I'm really excited because I love, love, love coffee scents in the fall. It is like quintessential fall to me. So I'm so excited to be using these. And then I also have the Chocolate Amber body wash. So I did not get a Vanilla Cafe body wash because I still had this one that I picked up during semi-annual sale. And the notes on Chocolate Amber are vanilla orchid, honeyed chocolate, and warm amber. So this is definitely a chocolate heavy scent, but the amber in there kind of makes it more, I wouldn't say floral because amber is not necessarily a floral. It's just a kind of like deep body care scent. So it's not really like a gourmand chocolate. It's not like a mocha like this one. It is more like a body care, deep and sexy kind of scent. So I'm excited to pair these together and see how they go. But I think this one in the shower is going to be perfect, especially on days where maybe I'm like super sweaty and gross and I just want to feel really clean and really put together. And I feel like this routine is definitely going to help do that. And to go along with my iced vanilla latte scent, I do have 2 perfumes that I'm going to be putting in. These were actually in the summer project Use It Up as well. But I have this mini from Nest. This is the Madagascar Vanilla Mini Rollerball Perfume. And this is a perfume oil. I am already right here. I'm a little bit more than halfway, but these rollerball oils take me a very long time to go through. Honestly, perfume oil takes a really long time to go through, but this is like a perfect warm vanilla, and I feel like it's gonna be really good in the fall time. Also mixed with a coffee, like a warm vanilla and a coffee. That just sounds amazing. So that's going in, and then I'm also putting in Eilish by Billie Eilish. This is a little mini spritzer, and I'll put the scent notes down below on this one, but I think it's like a pear vanilla. It's a really nice one that is not a gourmand, and it's hard to find a vanilla that's not a gourmand vanilla. This one is one of them, and it's really good, and I'm already a little more than halfway done on this one as well. So I'm putting that one in, and I'll probably finish it off. Okay, this last routine, and then I actually have some random items that I'm just gonna put in. This last routine is my cherry almond routine, and this girl is a little bit dramatic. She always smells good, but she may not have her life put together. She's a little problematic. She is a little bit moody. She is me, okay? All of these are me. She is a little bit of a deeper, darker girl. Like maybe she's more into like movies like Scream and like thrillers throughout the fall. And she's not necessarily like a throw a fall party or carve pumpkins or like do all those silly activities. She is more of a like, get the girls together and go out. That's what cherry almond is. So I have a couple of items here. They're all different scents, but I am gaslighting myself into thinking that Sweetheart Cherry is Sugared Cherry Crisp. I miss her so much. She hasn't been out in like 4 years, but Sugared Cherry Crisp was my girl. It was a sugared cherry pie scent, and it was so gourmand and so heavy, but it smelled so good and it lasted forever. So I am gaslighting myself into thinking that this one is just Sugared Cherry Crisp. So the notes on Sweetheart Cherry are wild cherry, crushed pistachio, and whipped vanilla. So it's not the same, but it is a wonderful gourmand cherry. So I think it could pass for it. It just doesn't have that like pie note to it that made Sugared Cherry Crisp. So I'm very excited to have this one though, because I think like a cherry pistachio sounds really yummy for year round, honestly, but for fall, I think it'll be really nice too. And then to go along with it, I have the Girlfriend body wash. Now this one is a fruity body wash. That's why I wanted to put it in to go kind of with my cherry scent. So the notes are dark strawberry, ghostly peony, and spine-chilling citrus. And this one is from 2024, so it is from last year. So I wanted to go ahead and start using it because I haven't actually even used it before. And it smells amazing. It just smells like Girlfriend. I've had it before in the candle, in the hand soap, in a lot of different fragrance formulas, but never in body care. And it smells really good. It's just like a nice, simple, clean strawberry body wash scent. Nothing super special to it, but I think it's really good. So I'm excited to use this one, see how I like it in the body care. And then to pair with it, I feel like an almond to go with the cherry is just like quintessential. It just sounds like the best combo ever. So I'm putting in Almond Blossom. Now this one doesn't have the scent notes on the back, so I'll have to find it down below and put it here for you. But Almond Blossom in this form, I have had since 2018. This one is from 2018. So if you look on the bottom of the packaging, actually, there is, yes, the barcode that they scan with your price, but underneath that, or sometimes like right above it, there is a printed code on each item on like the physical packaging. And the beginning number of that is going to be the year that your product was made. So mine starts with an 8. So this was made in 2018 or 2028, but obviously that hasn't happened yet. So it's made in 2018. But Almond Blossom, I bring this out every fall. It is a wonderful fall floral scent. And here's where I'm at already. I'm a little bit below halfway, but this one is like the perfect mix of like a warm almond and a floral. I don't even know, off the top of my head, I don't know what floral scent it is, but like I said, I'll put that down here. But it is such a warm and cozy scent. So I'm really excited to have a almond cherry scent kind of going. I feel like that's gonna be so yummy for the fall time. Okay, now for the randoms. So I have a couple of Halloween things that I'm going to be putting in just because I feel like I can definitely get these finished during the fall. So I have these 2 items. So the first is Girlfriend in the body cream, and this one I think I'm just going to leave out, but also it'll be good to bring on trips. but I am already right about here on the packaging. So I'm already halfway done. I have kind of been using this on and off just because it smells really good. But yeah, it's your quintessential like strawberry body lotion, and I think it's gonna be really good. And then I'm putting in Wicked Vanilla Woods in the body lotion, and this one is great for honestly any occasion, but really good around winter, Halloween, because it's got that deep note. So this is Magical Vanilla, Glowing Amberwood, and Enchanted Pink Pepper. This is definitely a unisex scent, and it is a warm musky scent. So if you like that kind of scent, you would love this. It kind of makes me think of Halloween because I did have a scent routine going with this one last year, and this is just left over. I am already halfway on the packaging. So I'm gonna put this out for me and Ryan to use because he does like this one too, and we'll definitely get it finished off this fall. I have 4 more items that I'm gonna keep going from the summer project Use It Up, and 2 of those are body scrubs. So I realized when I was making this routine that I don't have any fall body scrubs, and I kind of feel bad buying new fall body scrubs when I didn't finish off my summer ones. So I'm gonna keep these 2 in. This is Vacation Vibe. It's Whipped Pistachio and Amber. It's the Exfoliating Glow Body Scrub. And I am already down to here. It's super close to being finished. So I'm just gonna keep this in and try to finish it in September. And then I have Cocoa Colada in the Shea Sugar Scrub. It's still hot here in Texas, so I'm not worried about using a coconut scented body scrub, but this is a nice thick scrub, and I think I'm definitely going to get some more use out of it now that it's not, 95 anymore. It's only getting up to like 87. So like I was saying in my summer project Use It Up finale, it's been so hot here that I don't even want to take a long hot shower and, steam up my bathroom and then make my bedroom even hotter than it already is in here. So I just have not been taking long showers, and I have not been exfoliating because I'm not taking a long shower. So I think I'll definitely use this in September and October more than I was in August and before. So I'm going to keep that in and try to finish it. And if I do finish those 2 scrubs, I will let myself buy a fall body scrub. I have my eye on maybe like a coffee scrub or a pumpkin scrub. So still thinking about it. And then I'm going to keep in this Mary Kay Silkening Dry Oil. This one is so close to being done. I just haven't finished it off yet. And I really do love a body oil year round. It's great for after, you shaved your legs. It's a really good like moisturizer for right after that. So I'm going to keep this in and try to finish it. And the last thing that I'm keeping in, I have to have something vanilla at all times. So I'm leaving in a vanilla fine fragrance mist, and this is Bonfire Bash. And I'm so close to finishing it that I'm hoping to finish this in the year 2025 and say that I've finished off a full-size fine fragrance mist. So yeah, we are already down to here. It's super close to being done. I definitely think I can finish it in the fall. This is Vanilla Bourbon, Creamy Sandalwood, and Cashmere Musk. This is a perfect transition from from summer into fall. It is just like a perfect, almost like a beachy bonfire s'mores scent. It is so good. So I'm keeping that one in, and I'm definitely going to try to finish it this fall. Okay, so that is everything for my fall project Use It Up introduction. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. You'll have to let me know down below if you enjoyed my fragrance combos, and if you did, what fragrances you're putting in for your fall routine. Anything new that you're using that's new from Bath & Body Works, let me know. And if you've tried Glazed Pumpkin or Vanilla Cafe and you like them, let me know down below too. So that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye.